Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. In this video, we are discussing position of a point in the plane of a circle. Position of a point in the plane of a circle. Okay, friends, you see, suppose consider this is a circle. Let it be. It is a circle and consider the point is there. A is a point. Suppose B is another point and C is also another point. 3 points are there. One point I am writing outside. This is, let us consider A is here and B is a point on the circle and C is another point that is inside of the circle. So now you observe, by the observation we can say the point A is exterior. Point A is exterior of a circle. Next, point B is on the circle. Point B is on the circle and point C is interior of the circle. So by the observation we can say, suppose if they are given a circle equation, generally circle equation what we have, S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 form they will give. This is the general form of the circle. If S is given circle, then how we can justify the point is inside of the circle, outside of the circle, on the circle? Means we have a theorem. The theorem is, let S is equal to 0 be a circle in the plane and P is a point x1 comma y1 be any point on the same plane, then the point is, here three cases will be raised. Just now we discussed. First case is P is point lies in the interior of the circle. Interior. So what should satisfy means the condition is S11 less than 0. If S11 less than 0, then you can say the point is interior less than 0. Interior. Okay, here which is interior? The point C is interior. Okay, next P is lies on the circle. P is lies on the circle. When it is possible means if S11 is equal to 0. So which is the point here on the circle? A, B, C. No, C is inside of the circle. So B is point on the circle. So you can say, for example, 2 is this point. Next, another case is there. That case is the point P lies in the exterior of the circle. Exterior of the circle. When it is possible means if S11 greater than 0. Okay, friends. So based on S11, we can say the point is interior or on the circle or exterior of the circle. So what is S11? We know only S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 is this one. Then what is S11 means? Friends, you see, S11 is equal to, in place of x comma y, you substitute x1 comma y1. That's it. Then this is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c is equal to 0. Generally S11 we need to verify. This is a circle, friends. This is the circle. Here S11 is equal to 0. S11, if you put the point P x1 comma y1 on the circle S, then you will have S11. This S11 might be greater than 0 or is equal to 0 or less than 0. Based on this only, we can verify the point is, the position of the point is inside, on, outside. Okay, now we will solve problems on this. Right, problem number 1. Given problem is, okay friends, you see the given problem is, locate the position of the circle of the point P 1 comma 2 of the point 1 comma 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So friends, here they are given a circle. This circle we are denoting with S is equal to 0. Okay, now how to find out the position of the point, position of the circle, the relation between circle and point means you should find out S11. What is S11 we have? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay, when the circle is in this form, s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. See, this is in the form of x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So what we have to do now? Put x1 comma y1. What is x1 comma y1? 1 comma 2. Put 1 comma 2 in s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0, which implies s only in the s enough. Means in the circle if you are represented, then you will have s11. What is s11 means? Friends, you see, in place of x1 we have to substitute 1. In place of y1 we have to substitute 2. Then you substitute, what will happen? You see now, 1 square is 1 plus y is what here? Y1. Actually s11 is what? x1 square plus y1 square. So this will become x1 square. I will write s11 also for you. You see friends, x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 11. This is s11 friends. Okay, s11. Okay, now one moment please, I'll write clearly. s11 is this one. Okay friends, now you put x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 2, then you will get s11 value. Okay, now put x is equal to 1. x1 is 1 here, then 1 square means 1 plus 2 square. 2 square is what friends? 4 minus 4 into what is x1? 1. So minus 4 into 1 means minus 4. Next, minus 6y1. 6 into what is y1? You have 2. So 6 2s are, here you have minus 12, and what is the constant? Here you have 11. So now you simplify this, then what you are getting? You see, plus 4 minus 4 getting cancelled, and this is minus 12, and here you have 1 plus 11, that is 12. 12 minus 12. So friends, what is s11? s11 is equal to 0. So s11 is equal to 0 is nothing but what we can say, the point on the circle. What is the relation of the point on the circle? s11 is equal to 0 if and only if p is lies on the circle. So here in place of p lies on the circle means what? B. Like, is it clear? So what you can say now here? P is lies on the circle. So the location is right on. Suppose if it is a circle S. Okay, now the point is here. The point what you have? 1 comma 2 on the circle. That's it. Next, go for another problem. Another problem is, we have P is a point 1 comma 5 and circle S is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we need to find out location of the point on this plane, xy plane, with respect to the circle. Okay friends, now you see they are given yes. So write down first s11. s11 is equal to, in place of x we are writing x1 comma x1, in place of y we are writing y1. So you will get a x1 square plus y1 square minus 2 into x1 minus 4 into y1 plus 3. That's it. Okay friends, here no need to write 0 because we are finding s11 value at this point. That's it. While substituting, x1 is equal to 1, x1 comma y1 is equal to what you have? You see 1 comma 5. That's it. Then you will have s11. Now put x1 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1 if you are substituted, and y1 is equal to 5 if you are substituted. Then what you are getting? You see 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 5 square. 5 square means 25 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 means minus 2. Next, minus 4 into 5. That is minus 4 5s are 20 plus 3. That's it. Now you see friends, here what I have? 1 plus what you have? 1 plus 25. 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3 is 29. Okay, I'll write here 29. Next, minus what I have here? Minus 20 minus 2. Then nothing but minus 22. So what is s11 value? s11 is equal to 7. So s11 is greater than 0. Yes or no? When s11 is greater than 0, then what you can say from known theorem? s11 is less than 0, s11 is equal to 0. Here s11 greater than 0. So you can say the point P is lies in the exterior of the circle. Exterior of the circle. Okay, you see friends, now I will show you exterior means graphical representation. Here let us consider the point is the circle is this one friends, this one. If you consider the circle is this one, the point is maybe either here or here, whatever it may be. This is exterior of the circle. That's it. Is it clear? Next, if you want, you can solve one more problem. Same friends, you see, just I am changing the point. Just I am changing the point. Then we will see what will happen. Okay, friends. Now let us consider the point P is a point minus 1 comma 2. Then what will happen? You see. Okay, same circle friends, same circle, this circle only. Here if you consider P is a point, okay, I am considering the P is a point 1 comma 5 is here. Okay, now another point P1, let it be P1 minus 1 comma 2. Then find out the position of the point with respect to the circle. So what we have to do in this case, here in place of x1 we have to substitute minus 1, in place of y1 we have to substitute 2 in the s11. Okay friends, what is s11 actually? S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 2. Here you have, you see, minus 2. So in place of x, what I have write? X1. So minus 2x1 minus 4y1 plus 3. That's it. No is equal to 0 friends. Okay, now circle is equal to 0. But here we are finding S11. Okay, S11 only, not is equal to 0. So put x1 is equal to minus 1. Then you will have minus 1 whole square is 1. And here 2, y1 is what you have? 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 2 into x1. What is x1? Minus 1. So here you have minus of minus plus 2. Next minus 4 into y1. What is the y1? Here you have 2. So minus 4 times of 2 is nothing but minus 8. Plus what I have here? 3 only. Is there any other term? No. So you can say plus 3. So what is the solution here you have? You see friends, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So which is greater than 0. Therefore obviously minus 1 comma 2 is also another point P which is outside of the circle. Is it clear friends? Okay, if you want I will take one more also. One more point we will take, that is, let us consider P is a point minus 1 comma 4. If you consider minus 1 comma 4, what will happen? Okay friends, now what is S11? S11 is here we have already. So directly I am substituting. Then S11 at the point P2. At the point P2 is what you have in place of x1 we have to substitute minus 1. So minus 1 means what? Tell me. Minus 1 whole square means 1. Next 4 square is nothing but what? 4 square is 16. Next minus 2 into x1. Minus 2 into minus 1 means plus 2. Next minus 4 into y1. Y1 is 4. So minus 16 plus 3. That's it. So if you are simplified here, you see friends, minus 16 plus 16 are getting cancelled. Minus 16 plus 16 are getting cancelled. So here you have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is also greater than 0. Suppose if you are getting negative, then what you can say? That is inside of the circle. Is it clear friends? I will repeat one more time. You see friends, suppose if they are given a circle, is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and they will give one point P that is same plane. Circle is suppose in xy plane, point is also in the xy plane only. Then in this case what will happen? The point is either outside of the circle or on the circle or inside of the circle. That's it. Okay friends, now how we can justify means, if the point x1 comma y1 we have to substitute in s11, then you may get a positive or is equal to 0 or less than 0. Okay, then positive, if it is negative then interior. If s11 is equal to 0, then on the circle. If s11 greater than 0, exterior of the circle. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.